Let's talk about Tkinter alerts. So Tkinter alerts are like any pop-up alerts that you see. You don't have to associate a window with them, and they come in three forms: a regular information pop-up alert, an error alert, and a warning alert. Let's take a look at all of these individually. Since it's extremely easy to set up, let's use the regular Python console. So let's type Python or Python 3 if you're on Mac OS. And from Tkinter or import Tkinter dot message box as Tkinter's alert. It's really easy to manage. So Tkinter message box is a module, and it comes with three types of alerts: show info, show error, and show warning. So let's take a look at show info first. So when I say alert dot show info, the first argument is a string, and that's going to be the title of our window. Let's call this demo alert, comma, and this is the content of the alert. Let's say this is the content. Close it with parenthesis. And as you can see here, we've got a window, since we haven't created any window so far, and we've even got an alert. So as you can see, the title is demo alert, and it says this is the content, and it's come with an I for info. Let's just copy paste that for show error as well. Instead of show info, show error. Show error is exactly the same. All that it does is that it gives you an X sign here instead of the I. What about show warning? Well, show warning just gives you an exclamation mark. So show warning, an exclamation mark. So that's all you need to know about these alerts. This is a very basic introduction to Tkinter alerts. There are more functions in the Tkinter alerts, but I won't be getting into them in this course. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.